In twilight's gentle azure glow, where secrets of the cosmos flow, I found a star, a world unknown, a verse untold, a story sown. It sang to me in whispers sweet, of dreams and hopes our hearts would meet, a ballad of the endless night, where stars ignite their ancient light. In Luna's cradle, silver spun, the muse of night and day as one. She weaves a tapestry so grand in every grain of desert sand. The oceans hum her soothing tune as waves embrace the glowing moon, and mountains, standing tall and wise, whisper secrets to the skies. In forests deep, where shadows play, the symphony of life holds sway. With every rustle, leaf, and breeze, a sonnet sung among the trees. The city's heartbeat, constant, fast, a rhythm of the present, past. It tells a tale of boundless grace in every fleeting, bustling place. Through laughter, tears, and loving gaze, the human spirit's endless maze, we write the verses of our lives. In every heartbeat, hope survives. So let us listen. Let us see the poetry of all that be in every moment, big or small, a masterpiece, a wondrous call. For in this world of rhyme and reason, life's eternal, changing season, in every breath, in every rhyme, a poem's written for all time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content.